Hey everybody, just another quick edition of James Jam for you. I am super excited. I have never bought anything from Dior before, and I went on their website and they had something that I wanted so bad. Love to someday get a Lady Dior, but for now I'll have to be satisfied with this. So I was just going to film the unboxing of it all to just show you a little bit what things are like. I've already unboxed some Chanel and I've already unboxed some Louis Vuitton online, but I thought I'd just show you what Dior looks like. So here's the package it comes in, very similar to packages that pretty much everything else comes in. And then I'm going to open this here. It's hard to just open and still cover the address. Sorry about this. Usually they're not this hard to open. I'm just going to completely destroy the box. Okay, let's just call this the Jamie Struggles Hour. Okay. This is awful. Okay. Okay, let me just say this. Stuff from Louis Vuitton and or Chanel are both easier to open than this. Good thing I don't plan on keeping the box. Oh my goodness sakes. Oh, okay. Ooh. This is embarrassing. Let's try pulling it this way. I don't think that's gonna pull much better. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, still not open. Okay. Here we go. Oh, wow. Now that is pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow. So, assuming this is just like my receipt. Again, I've never bought anything from Dior before, not in-store or online. Another way. So here's, just opening this up. It looks like a thank you. Thank you for shopping at Dior.com. We hope you enjoy your purchase. Visit us again. And then it's just got a receipt. And it looks like a return label in case you don't like it or need to return it. This is just a package in here to keep it from moving. Just look at the packaging on this. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Now I'm really glad I'm filming this. This is beautiful. Just open it up here. Dior. And then when you open it, it's still got its paper wrapping with a nice little sticker there. Try to open it without ripping too much. Unlike the box. It's got nice padding here. Oh, wow. And it's got a little dust jacket. Oh, this is thicker than I thought it was going to be. Not quite sure what's in here. Let's look in here first. Oh, okay. It's a little chain for my little SLG here. Give you a hint now what color it is. So here's what I got. I got the Dior wallet. And this is the color, I think it's called Nude. I just really like the color. And then here, you open it, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots. Plus you can go in behind the coin purse and behind there. It's got a nice little coin purse in it. Zipper's really nice. It's got a spot for your money to go in here. Nice cards to keep it shape. And then it just says Christian Dior on here. I don't know if you can see it or not. And then the little button says Dior. And oh, I just love this leather. This is so nice. And so the little keychain part then just goes on to the, assuming onto the zipper part. I'll have to put that together later. But again, I just wanted to show you this then. My new, oh, this is beautiful. My new little wallet from Dior. So everybody, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And until next time, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thanks for watching.